Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can slay this Pennywise outfit in Dress to Impress. Who knew Killer Clown could turn the runway into a horror-chic masterpiece? So in this DTI transformations, Pennywise ditches the showers and step into the spotlight. And yes, the fit is scarily good. So this is the Pennywise outfit that I created. I'm going to show you how you can recreate this one. So let's just get started. So as for the skin tone and the makeup, I use this white skin tone, and the makeup I wear this clown's makeup set. And as for the hair, first I'm going to use this updo hair and change the color into orange red like this, and I'm going to combine it with this bangs also in the same color, and this bangs in here. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, let's start with the outfit. First I'm going to use a code item, this long sleeve crop top. Make the color white and to go into smooth, and then I'm going to wear this stockings in white color and also this leg warmers, and I'm going to wear this top in here and color it white again. And then I'm going to combine it with this set. So the top, color it white, and the accent, color it red. All red like this. And this is the skirt. I'm going to color it all white. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear this heel and color it white. And now you are just going to complete the look with some accessory. First, I'm going to put on this bows and change the color into red, and some accessory here. This one, the gems, I'm going to color it red, and these earrings also in red. And after that, you are done. So this is the final look for Pennywise. So if you love bold, unexpected slays with a spooky twist, you need to see this one. Like if Pennywise 8 and subscribe for more wild transformations. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye!